Hi everyone, we're going to find the polynomial p of x when we let p of x equals x squared minus a can't not be 0. Then we're going to have p of x squared equals p of x times q of x for a polynomial q of x. So basically, let's look and see what we have. We have p of x equals x squared minus a, and a can't be 0. Then let's look at this one here. If we have p of x squared, then that's going to equal, if you substitute in x squared here, you're going to get x squared squared minus a. And that's just going to be x to the power of 4 minus a. All right. From there, we have p of x squared. Now that's going to be degree 4. So I'm going to write degree 4. And then this is going to equal this right here. P of x times q of x. So this is going to have to be, this p of x here is degree 2. Therefore, our q of x has to be a degree 2 as well. Let me leave a little space right here. Degree of 2. So if we multiply these two, this q of x is also going to be a degree 2. So we're going to let q of x equal x squared plus bx plus c. All right, so that's that part. When you multiply these two, we'll get that. So let's set this up. We're going to have x to the power of 4 minus a, which is our p of x squared, equals p of x, which is going to be x squared minus a, and then our q of x, which we made to be as x squared plus bx plus c. All right, now simplifying all this right-hand side, we're going to get x to the power of 4 plus bx cubed plus cx squared minus ax squared minus abx minus ac. All right, so that's going to equal our x to the power of 4 minus a. Now what we're going to do here is equate coefficients. We want to find b, c, and a. So if I equate coefficients, we have x to the power of 3. We don't have 1 here. In fact, I could write this as x to the power of 4 plus 0x cubed. So when I equate coefficients here, that means my b is going to equal 0. So basically when I say equate coefficients, these two match, so that means my b has to equal 0. All right, now we have this part here. So if I put c minus a and put the x squared here, again, we don't have an x squared on my left-hand side. I could make one and write this as 0x squared. So equating coefficients here, we're going to have c minus a equals 0. All right. Now ab, we have an x. Again, we don't have an x, so we could write this as 0x. So equating coefficients, x with x, then that means ab equals 0. And then what else? Is that it? What about ac? AC here is going to equal a. So we have negative AC equals negative a. Or you could just say, if you divide both sides by negative a, we're going to get c equals 1. All right. And then solving for all of this, we have a equals c, or c equals a here. So that means our a also equals 1. We have b equals 0. that means my a here is 1 times 0. Okay, now that we have all, our a cannot be 0, but so that's given. So our a is 1. Since we have that, our p of x is going to be, we're trying to find our a here. So our p of x equals x squared minus a, and our a is 1. So p of x equals x squared minus 1. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.